back with another video. In today's video, we will be doing this very minimal makeup look. So if you are like a lip gloss and eyelashes type of girl, or lip gloss and mascara type of girl, this is going to be the video for you, because really that's basically what we're using, minus a couple other products that are completely optional or that you can switch out based off of what you have in your makeup collection. So let's go ahead and get started on today's video, and let's go ahead and jump into the look. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for beauty, food, lifestyle. We do everything over here and you do not want to miss it. So go ahead and turn on your post notifications so that you can know every time I post a video. These might be some things that you can implement into your makeup routine, or if you are trying to get into makeup and you don't really know where to start, this is also a very good video to just kind of start to dabble in makeup just a little bit. All right, so stay tuned and keep watching so that I can show you the look. All right, you guys, so to get started, I did some light skincare just to kind of wake my skin up and feel refreshed. I did my eyebrows, I did some hair removal on my face. I went in with this Physicians Formula 24 karat gold face oil, and I also went in with my Balance Me Wonder eye cream on my eyes. So now that our skin is prepped, I'm gonna move on to the eyebrows. And this is the pencil that I'm using by e.l.f. It is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise pencil. I like it because it is, as it says, ultra precise, and it just allows me to just kind of like get in there and make those little hairs and make it look like it's my eyebrows. And because we are doing like a natural look, I barely put in a lot of hairs in my eyebrows anyway, because I have naturally thick eyebrows. But you know, if you need more hairs or you just like fuller brows, then just do your brows how you want. But yeah. So I'm going in with this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. And this is a shade that's very close to my skin tone. So I would recommend you using something like that that's like the same shade as your skin tone or very close. And when you're doing this, you can drag it down a little bit onto your eye. It just makes your eye look a little bit more smoother, because we're not really gonna do much of eyeshadow today. So I don't know if you can see a difference between this eye and this eye. When you're not wearing a full face, like, I promise you, any little detail matters. So that is what I do. And I just make sure to blend it out. And if you don't have a concealer that is like very close to your skin shade, you can also use like your foundation if you want to. I just happened to get the wrong concealer shade one day, and so I have been using this for my brows ever since, because it pretty much like blends in with my skin tone. Now I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyebrow gel. I just like eyebrow gel because it just like sets my eyebrows in place, and I have long eyebrow hairs, so this really like helps me. And I'm running out, that's why I'm using it like this, because I'm running out. To add some color and to kind of help just blend out this mass of concealer that we have on, we're gonna bronze just a little bit. And I'm actually gonna use this bronzer palette by e.l.f. And I like this bronzer palette because it is like the perfect like neutral brown for me. So you know like what the perfect neutral brown is for you. just use that. Like, I like this because it makes me look like I have a tan, even like when I don't, because right now I had a tan, but it's fading. So it gives me like that. I've had people like be like, oh my gosh, you know, you have that sun-kissed look, and it's like, I don't even have a tan anymore, but this just like makes me look like I do, and it gives me like a little bit of color. So that's what I like to do. So now what we're gonna do is move on to our eyes, and I like doing this because it just brings a little bit of more attention to my eyes. I have in light brown contacts. I can't see. I always have in contacts. So I like to choose shadows that kind of bring out my eyes. And I noticed like browns, jewel tones, golds, things like that bring out my eyes. So if you wear contacts or you have lighter eyes, or even if you just want to bring some attention to your eyes, I would recommend doing what I'm about to do, which is using my bronzer palette right here. And I'm gonna go into those exact same browns, and I'm just going to like sweep that over my eyelids. I'm going to go in with this highlight right here, and this is the Goddess highlighter by Kaleido Cosmetics. And I'm not using like a flat shader brush for this because I really just want to add like a little bit of shimmer. So I'm just using like a small blending brush, and this is just going to add the perfect amount of shimmer without us having to go back in and reblend it. Because if you use like a flat shader brush like this, you're gonna have to go back in and reblend it, and we are rushing. We're trying to get out the house. We don't need to be having to go back and blend. So this little brush right here is going to be just perfect. All right, now I'm going to just pop on some lashes, and we're going to be finished with the eyes. So now I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm using this cream blush by YC Cosmetics, and I'm just going to use like a little bit because this stuff is very like pigmented, and sometimes I use too much. All right, I think I'm good with this amount, so let's see. All right, and to set this blush, I'm gonna go over top with a little bit of the Milani Luminoso because it's like the same tone as this, but this does have a little bit of shimmer in it, which I like because we don't have to do highlight. I really don't wear highlight. I like highlight, but like on my cheeks, like I haven't been wearing it like that lately. All right, so we're done with that. So now just to finish it off and to just give us a little bit of glow whenever, we already glowing, but to give us a little bit more extra when we like kind of turn and be in the sun and hit certain points, we are going to add that same highlighter that we added as our eyeshadow to little points of our face to just, and you know what, I am gonna swipe a little bit on my cheeks, not a lot, but just a little bit. Now we're done with the face. We're gonna move on to the lips, and I'm gonna take this brown lip liner by NYX in the shade Cocoa. My lips look crazy. Like, I'm so bad at lip liner. Now guys, ooh, my lips look crazy. So So the lip liner is optional. You really don't have to do that, but I just did it because, like I said, when you don't have on any makeup, like, it just makes you look like you tried a little bit, you know you didn't. So next I'm adding like this peachy tone lip gloss by Super Glazed, Hard Candy Super Glazed Cosmetics. And you, again, this is optional as well. So now what I'm gonna do is add some clear gloss from the beauty supply store. Some people be sleeping on this beauty supply gloss because, ma'am, it be shiny, okay? Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. Very minimal, but still very pretty, very soft. I will wear this look like just out around town running errands. So if you guys enjoyed this look and you stayed to the end, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. We do beauty, food, and everything over here every week. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.